Hi friends, welcome to Sarah and Sarah's Cooking. Today I am going to show you how to make homemade chicken nuggets. Instead of buying frozen chicken nuggets from the store, why not we make our own? Here are the ingredients. Please don't forget to click or tap the subscribe button below. Put the boneless chicken into the blender. Onions, black peppers, egg, milk, ginger and garlic paste, half glass of water, salt to taste. Now we need to blend these ingredients. Once blended, we now add the cassava flour or tepung ubi. Now we blend it again. Once blended, put into a tray coated with a bit of oil. Flatten using a spoon or spatula. We are going to steam it first. Once the steamer is ready, place the tray into the steamer. After 30 minutes, you can remove the lid. Don't worry about the shape, it will flatten. Once cooled, we can now cut into small pieces. This size is good enough. Beat 2 eggs in a bowl. Put the nuggets into the eggs. Now put nugget into the breadcrumbs and coat it well. Now you can put into the frying pan. You can remove once it is golden brown. Let's do the rest. All done. If you want to serve it to your kids, I suggest that you can bake them instead of frying. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.